guys, it's Sophia, and today you're on Keep Kicking It, and today we're going to go over Girl Self-Defense Part 2. And here's Vivian to help me, my assistant. And before we start, I'm going to say something. Self-defense. Everybody thinks that self-defense means when somebody comes up to you, you have to defend yourself. Well, one of the best things that you can do for self-defense is being aware. Awareness about what's going on around you is the best defense that you can have. Because if you do something or you see someone creepy, but you don't know who they are, then you're not defending yourself. You are literally just letting them, they could follow you home. You don't know. Something that we do is familywatchdog.us, and it's a website where you can check out how many people who are bad are around you. So who have assaulted women, broken into houses, all of those people. And you can tell which ones are around you by going on the app and typing in your address. And then you go on and it shows your house and every bad guy around you. familywatchdog.us is a very, very, very good website that you can have because it really helps you and it makes sure that you know where all the bad guys are. So in this position right here, what I want to do is I want to go from 0 to savage mode. And that means her safety right now, or his safety, does not matter anymore. He's attacking me, and if I don't do anything about it, he is going to hurt me. And that means I have to go savage. I have to protect myself. So now right here, when he says something like, shut up, be quiet, right there, right in that second, that's when I come here and I put his body into shock by stomping right there onto the ankle. Once he does that, his grip is gonna loosen. I come here and I grab the arm, right here. And then I come over and I break the elbow, I kick the face, and then if I can, I come right here and I ridge hand right into that throat. And then I take off running to go get an authority figure to help me. And so I'm gonna show you that one more time just to make sure you got it. So right here, come here, down on the ankle, grip will loosen, you come out underneath, and then break the elbow, kick the face, ridge hand to the throat, then run. And that's very simple to do, and it will put them into shock and put them on the ground immediately. But one thing that you do not want to do is when you're right here, start wiggling and trying to get away, because they're strong. They're a grown man. They can grab you, they'll pick you up and just put you in their car. So that means when they go to pick you up, if you start wiggling, that means that this isn't gonna work anymore, because you can't actually get to them, right? So that means that you immediately go into the ridge hand blow right to the groin. And then they'll go and they'll brace a little bit. They'll be able to get out and you just use the same move again. But the only thing is, right here, don't wiggle. Don't try to get away because they'll grab you. And once they grab you, if you've lost that window of opportunity right there, then that means that you have the opportunity right there. As soon as you hear a small whisper, a small like anything come from their mouth, that's when you immediately go. Because that's when you have that split second. That's when you go right there. If somehow like they're not talking or anything and they just decide to pick you up, that's when you go for right there. And one other thing. Right here, if you notice in the last self-defense video, I talked a lot about raking the eyes, going for the throat and the elbows and the joints and everything. And the reason why I talk about that is because when you break someone's elbow, gouge someone's eye out, when you crush someone's esophagus, then their body is going into shock. Once it's in shock, then they don't know what to do anymore. They can't hurt you. So if you come right here and you like do this to your face or to your nose, your cheek, it doesn't hurt as bad, does it? But if you come right here to the side of your neck and you really do that, it hurts really badly, doesn't it? That's one of the things about self-defense is really good. If you apply only a few ounces of pressure right there to the side of that neck, then that puts them into shock. So what I'm trying to say here is if you can reach hand someone or crush their throat or break their elbow or crush any of their joints or throat or anything. That is the point of that I'm trying to make here is those areas of your body, that's what tells your mind you're dying as soon as they hurt. As soon as they are in such pain that they are crumbling to the ground. Because once that you get them like that, you can get over it.
Hey, I need you to try a brow.
And next time on our video, I am going to show you guys women's self-defense with weapons. That means any weapons that a woman carries, as in mace, a knife, a bat, for instance. Anything that you carry around. And I'm going to show you how to use some strikes with weapons, that way you stay safe. Okay guys, thanks for watching another video on Keep Kicking It. And to wrap this video up, I'm going to say two things. One, you should go to the website familywatchdog.us and check out who's in your area. Two, stay safe and stay aware and keep kicking it. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!